how's y'all scrapping going today? I'm sure I'll be seeing a video at some point this evening from Mr. Scrappity. Rock on, Mr. Scrappity. I'm so sorry about the loss of your loved one, and I really enjoy your scrapping videos. Scrapping Pallet Man, you're my inspiration to start recording what I have been doing for several years. This is a heavy door. Thank you for that. Recycle Dude, Gill Skills, you guys have been good to me. Scrap Hawk, I love your videos too. Okay guys, it goes on and on and on. Shane Man TV. I don't know if I can pick this door up. I love your videos as well. Oh, goodness. Now, that can hold the cans on. All right. We're getting ready to go to the scrapyard, and as you can see, it's still low light this morning. My truck warming up. It's in the 40s this morning, and it's just started raining on me, so that really stinks. So anyway, I gotta throw some metal on this trailer. Gotta find some gloves first, folks. There we go. Alright folks, I'm on the road. As you can see, it's rainy, dreary. Can't get my R's out today. Windows are fogged up. I don't have any heat in my truck. My heater blower motor went out on it, and I've got to get me one. Hadn't had the money because of Christmas. Really didn't have enough money during Christmas, but y'all know how all that goes. Still trying to get my daughter's dining room table built, her farmhouse style table and benches. That's her big Christmas present. Fixing to stop, get some gas to go to the scrapyard, and that money's gonna have to go in the account to pay bills today. So hey, I just want to mention this, and I'm not asking necessarily for any donations or whatever, but I do want you to be aware, in my description on my videos there is a link to my PayPal Me tip jar for PayPal, and if you feel led or inspired to give 50 cents, a dollar, anything at all, that money goes toward expenses related to my daughter's cancer treatments and whatnot. But I just wanted to mention that. I don't think I've mentioned that, and I'm not necessarily asking for money. I just want you to be aware that it is there, and it is an option. If you enjoy the videos, it will help fund me being able to make content like riding around on my Razor, picking up cans, which you'll be seeing that video come out before this one right now. But anyway, I've got to get out, get some gas, get in the store, get a drink, and get to the scrapyard. Laters. Hooked my scrapyard guys up with some coffee this morning. Let's get our number. Daryl's up next. Scrapper D's in the house. Scrapper D's in the house. Scrapper D to the rescue. Turned them off. brother? Did you get your coffee?
No, sir.
Did you have a good New Year, man?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
It's good to see y'all. I know y'all are excited to be back to work. Come on, get your coffee. You may not want it. Do you want it? Thank you. All right, it's time to weigh and get paid. Not real. Guess I'm supposed to go this way. All right. For this, I got to go. I'll be back. All right, folks. We just got weighed and paid. Wasn't quite as much as I was hoping for. I had 1,952 pounds of steel shred, and a lot of that was light stuff. It was just bulky. I'm here picking up a car door, some old tomato cages, and some cans for a friend of mine. And almost forgot to put my GoPro on and record. I figured it would. Talking to myself today, folks. That can't be good, can it? Well, it stopped raining for the most part today. I'm sure it's going to start back this evening. At least that's the forecast. How's y'all scrapping going today? I'm sure I'll be seeing a video at some point this evening from Mr. Scrappity. Rock on, Mr. Scrappity. So sorry about the loss of your loved one. And I really enjoy your scrapping videos. Scrapping Pallet Man. You're my inspiration to start recording what I have been doing for several years. This is a heavy door. Thank you for that. Recycle Dude, Gill Skills. You guys have been good to me. Scrap Hawk, I love your videos too. Okay guys, it goes on and on and on. Shane Man TV. I don't know if I can pick this door up. I love your videos as well. Goodness. Now, that can hold the cans on. Let's see. Who else? I watch all of you guys faithfully, and I really appreciate y'all's inspiration to record these videos. Appreciate your comments. If you're watching this video for the first time, like, comment, share, subscribe, whatever you feel like doing. It means a lot, as y'all know. So I'm thankful for everybody that watches, and I want to continue to scrap and record it. So very thankful. I know I left a bunch of people out on my I know I left a bunch of people out, but let me see if I can think of who else at this point. Scrap Life 24/7. Got you, brother. I watch you. Goodness. I'm drawing a blank. Anyway, I didn't intentionally leave anybody out. Scrapping Pallet Man kindled that fire in me to do it, and I appreciate it, brother. I'm thankful that I'm able to do it, because I was a sick man at one time. Anyway, let me get off here and get headed to my next stop. God bless. Wow.